Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be talking about 6.6, which is discounts and markups. So before we start, let's make sure you have your math composition notebook out, open, and that you are taking notes on everything that is on my screen, okay? Okay, so let's start by writing the learning target. I will be able to use the percent equation to find discounts and markups, okay? So let's write that down so you have that. All right, so a discount. What is a discount? Well, think about when you go to the store and it says this shirt is 50% off. What does that mean? Well, that means that you are going to be paying less for that shirt than the original price. So, a discount is a decrease in the original price of an item. What's a markup? A markup is where a store charges more than what they pay. In order to make a profit. So it says the increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called a markup. Okay, so discount lowers the price, a markup increases the price. So we are going to look at both of these things right now. So make sure you have discount markup definition, and let's scroll down to example 1. So finding a sale price. The original price of the shorts is $35. What is the sale price? Well, it tells us that the shorts are 25% off. Now, this is very useful because if you are ever at a store and it says 20% off, 30% off, 70% off, you can calculate it in either your phone calculator or if you just have a pocket calculator, you can calculate the discount so you're not surprised when you get to the register. Okay? And I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. So, the first thing you need to do is you need to find the percent of the original price. What that means is you need to find the percent of the item that you are actually paying for. So, if the shorts were not on sale at all, you would be paying for 100% of the price. So you are going to go 100% minus 25%, which is the sale price, to get how much you're actually paying for. So you are going to be paying for 75% of the item. So the second thing you need to do is you need to find the sale price, okay? And this is how you do it. So here's the equation, sale price, and this is very similar to our percent equation. Sale price equals 75% of $35, all right? Notice this language. This is the language that we talked about when we were doing percent proportion and percent equation. 75% of 35. That means 35 is the whole. So you're going to set it up as 0.75 times 35. This is going to give you how much of 35 you're going to pay for. If you type that into your calculator, 0.75 times 35, you should get $26.25. Okay, so if you take 25% off, that should be the price of the shorts. Remember, when you write the percent, you need to write it as a decimal, right? As a decimal. Just a friendly reminder. Okay, let's move on. I want you guys to try this on your own. So use that same setup. So sale price equals the percent P times the original price. Okay, so the original price of a skateboard is $50. The sale price includes 20% discount. What is the sale price? So I want you to find this on your own. Ready, set, go. Okay, so first thing you should have done is you should have done 100% minus 20% to get how much you're actually going to pay for. So you were going to pay for 80% of that skateboard. So to set this up, you're going to write 80% as a decimal, 0.80, times the original price, which is $50. And then you're going to type it into your calculator, 0.80 times 50, and that's going to give you $40. So you are going to pay $40 for the skateboard when it is on sale. Okay, let's keep scrolling down. Finding an original price. So all these, we're just piecing together what we don't have. So it says, what is the original price of the shoes? And it says 40% off. And when they're 40% off, they are $33. So let's go back to our equation. Sale price equals percent times original price. Okay, so It says the sale price is 100% off minus 40%, which means you are actually paying 60% of the original price. So if the sale price is 33, we're going to fill in 33 there. How much are you actually paying for the item? Well, we did 100% minus 40%, so we're going to pay 60, write it as a decimal. And then the original price we don't know. That's what we're trying to find. So I'm just going to represent it with an X. So from here, all we have to do to find the original price is solve for X. So I'm going to divide both sides by 0.60 and type it into my calculator. 33 divided by 0.60. That gives me $55. So I know that the original price is $55. So again, I'm using that same percent equation in order to just find the missing piece that I need. Okay, let's scroll down. Finding a selling price. A store pays $70 for a bicycle. The percent of markup, so we're doing markups now, is 20%. What is the selling price? So we need to think about this, okay? So there's a couple different ways we can do it. So the cost to store. Let's sort through our information. The store pays $70 for this bike. All right. The markup is 20%. Okay. So what we need to know, so the selling price equals cost to store plus the markup. So, but you need to find out what 20% of 70 is. So in order to do this, we're going to find out what is 20% of 70 because that's how much we need to add to 70. So we're going to go A equals 0.20, write it as a decimal, times 70. This is going to give me what 20% of 70 is going to equal. And that's going to give me 14. So this tells me the store is adding $14 to it. So this is the markup, okay? So let's go back down. Selling price. So the selling price equals $70, how much the store paid for it, plus that 20% increase, which is 14, equals $84. So the store is gonna sell it for $84. Okay, so for the markups, it's a little bit different. You just want to think about it logically. Once you think about it logically, you want to know, okay, I'm going to add on what 20% of 70 is to the actual price that they bought it for. That's going to be the selling price. Okay? All right, so that's discounts and markups. Make sure you follow these equations carefully as you do the assignment. And thank you for watching.